Okay, I'm blind. That's a lot better. How'd you like the new mic? Now I can talk to you guys like a normal person and not yell like every other. So this is one of the mods that I'm most excited about. It's replacing the suspension. You probably know 370 suspension is really sloppy, even worse than 350. But putting coilovers on it and definitely changing out the rear to a true coilover changes a lot. So I called my friend Ant to come over and help. He did a lot of this. For the most part, it was pretty easy. I only have 3 busted knuckles. I have the BC Racing BR series. I got the custom build where they build it for drift spec. I'm not exactly sure what the difference is. Maybe a little stiffer. I'm pretty sure the big bolt's 19 as well. After driving it on the suspension, it's actually remarkable on how stiff the chassis is, because it really didn't show it from the sloppy factory suspension. And I've had this car since 17,000 miles, so it's not like I had old shit on it. But let's see what Ant has to say.
How did you manage to get this thing?
As you can see, the coilovers made a huge difference. I'm doing a steering kit on it right now, but I'll put a clip in here for you. I'll probably lower it more after I take the mufflers off, because they're the first things that are going to drag. So you're probably wondering about the space, and if you thought I lived in it, you'd be wrong. It is going to be a studio for my videography business, but until it gets built out and this whole area gets paved up properly, I'm going to be using it as a workshop. It's actually really hard to get any kind of space in this city. There's no lights, no heat, no water, no electricity, no insulation. So it's going to be really shit in the next week or so. Anyways, I did have to adjust the seating position since it's a fixed mount, and I was sitting too far forward, and also adjusting the harness, which has a couple things I'd still need to figure out, like where to bolt it through the floor. The seat fits amazing, and I'm definitely going to get the same one for the passenger side when I have enough cash laying around. But the next day I wanted to see if I could get the submarine belts to bolt through the floor. Obviously I had my doubts about it, but I wanted to check anyways. So I started taking the panels off the bottom and started seeing how the chassis was actually built underneath the seat. I pissed myself laughing the first time I saw that. So it turns out, as I expected, the chassis frame kind of also runs underneath there. Basically impossible to bolt through. So I ended up just bolting the submarine belt to the solid seat mount, towards the sides and to the back a little bit. Time for the comment section. Okay. This one came through right now. 370Zs are shit. Oh buddy, you're not hurting my feelings. That was a good one. Keep it up. Alright, talk to you soon.